direction. All right, cut. Gonna land it there. Oh, get over there. Take it, I'll take it. Pretty decent headwind. You can see I got the windsock here today. Winds are pretty strong. I think at least 12 to 15. Some kids just came by on their bikes, so I'll stay on the field side, trying to get over that sidewalk. Might wait for him to leave before I fly the jet. Winds this direction. Good wind. I'm trying to glide right into it. Trims look good. This is 30% throttle. Trying to lift a little bit. Okay, no throttle. Gliding into the wind. Yeah, nice. Super slow. Get over that ridge. Nice and slow. I'm gonna do a speed pass. Stay in front of me so I don't hit these light poles. That's good. Let's turn around, dive a bit, full throttle. Yeah, downwind, full throttle. Come a little low. We do a little loop below the deck. Coming up. Oh, it's more of a. There it goes. Wind's thrashing it around. Kind of lost direction there. Gliding. Hopefully this camera can catch this frame. I've got it on narrow mode right now, narrow field of view. Throttle off, glide. Try to land, of course, right to left, just in this patch. Try not to hit any light poles or this wind indicator flag sock. Let's do snap roll. I'm gonna just kind of keep this easy going. Do a little pattern here. Aileron turn. Let's try another loop. More at my 11 o'clock. Okay, going up. That wind is really throwing it around. Did adjust the ailerons. A little more throws. Yes, that was the full rate right there. Let's do another flyby. Right there. Nice. Little aileron bank into some yaw. Get over 10 minutes just gliding around. Try to ridge ride this. Alright, let's get it over this grass cliff. Maybe we'll catch some of this. Let's see. Wind coming up over that. Oh, need some throttle. That'll be my glide speed right there for landing. Really chill. Rudder on the top. S 1300 milliamp power. Still have the 8x5 inch prop. No, 8x4.5 prop. Mellow ground speed there. I like 2-3 miles an hour. 4 miles an hour. Let's do a loop with the wind. Plenty of elevator. Come out in front, do a little barrel roll. Again, it's the FMS Let-13 1500 millimeter. Like I said before in my last flight, they don't make this model anymore. I think they still make the FMS MOA. Same size, just the MOA design. Full throttle into the wind. Let's see what we get. Yeah, it's fighting it. And a little spectrum in the clouds there. Another full throttle run. Super cool. Let's go all the way down. It's just banking around this field. Full throttle. It's pretty far out there. Probably a good 1,000 feet. Getting pretty far. Probably over the sidewalk. Banking. Probably can't see it on camera. All right. Over the edge. Banking hard. Whew. That pole is too close for comfort. Let's try a Cuban. Might need some left trim. Cuban, come back the other way. Oh, boarding that. Wind thrashed it around too much. Let's give some left aileron. Trim, there we go. Could be just the wind pushing it. Move up here a little bit. Let's do another speed pass. I got 1 minute left on my timer. Alright, calling it. That is out. Let's glide it in. It might be a little hot. It's, nope. I think we got it. Overshot. Let's come back around. Come at me this time instead of down range. Gonna come out at 2 o'clock approach. It is thrashing. All right, cut. Gonna land it there. Oh, get over there. Take it, I'll take it. All right, let's go grab it. FMS.